This is the first video of a series of video about Python, from the basic of Python to little medium Python. This series will be not only in English but also in Spanish and Italian. So if you speak Spanish and Italian, go and check the description to listen to this in your own language. This video will be about the print statement, the if statement, the numbers and the variables. So we will start with the print statement. This statement will print everything you put in here. So you put I am a test and you run it and you will see a second. Okay, I am a test. You can write here what you want and it will be printed. Okay, you will see it on the screen. A second. Okay, so that's the print statement. Okay, we will return it later. Then the numbers, with numbers before if. So numbers in Python are pretty easy to use. Just write them and the calculus will be performed. Okay, we don't say nothing because we've said to the computer, okay, you must do this operation, this multiplication. Okay, done. But we haven't told him to show it. So if we do this, then we will be able to see the result of our expression. Only a second, and here it is. Okay, so numbers are quite easy to use. The power in Python is this double sign, this double asterisk. Okay, let's run. Okay, a second. Okay, and we have the result right here. What's good about a computer that it's fast calculating. Okay, the other work went as expected. Okay, so you don't need to think too much about them, they work as intended. The second, I am writing down the various operations you can do. Okay, okay, tack. Okay, and the last one, it will give you the rest of the division. Okay, so the last one will give us 1. Okay, let's run it. Okay, it's running and here we have. Okay, so we can check if our computer did it right. Okay, 7 by 4, 28, 6 divided by 2, 3, 4 plus 6, 10, 16, 3 minus 43, 20, and 67 minus 66 is 1. So our computer, no, this is not minus, this is the module of the division. Okay, now we'll be a little more on this because it's very interesting. So if you want to see if it is divisible, the number is divisible, you simply write in the number. Here you write the divider, and then you can see what's the rest of the division, the remainder. And here we see 273. If it is 0, then it will be divisible. Okay, so here it is. Here we have the numbers. Now we'll talk about the variables, and then we will be ready to talk about the if statement. The variables. Okay, so variable in Python is very simple. So we can call it as we like. It must first variable, and then give it a value. A variable can be another variable. A variable can have any value you like, okay? It can be a number, it can be boolean. Boolean means true or false, or it can be, okay, these are the three types of variables. So we can have number, string means text, and boolean, that means true or false. In Python, true and false are written with the capital letter, okay? So this is what variables are about. They're quite simple to use, really. You don't need to think about special syntax or nothing like that. Okay, now the second part is about the last part is about the if statement, okay? The if statement is very simple, okay? I will explain it in detail, okay? It is like this. If this is true, this is very important, double point, 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Remember, 4 spaces, they are very, very important. Do this, okay? One thing that I must tell you is that these asterisks are comments, okay? So this is a comment, 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 okay? All comments. So, if true, print hi. Of course, true is true, so it will print hi. Okay? And here it is, it printed it. So, this is what this does. So if you have variable, you don't need to write this, you simply write blue or any number you want. You can call it box, and then you give it value. Then you can say if box is less than a certain value, print box. Okay, so we'll have this output. A second, please. Okay. Oh. Okay, we received no output. Okay, because this is not less than that. So let's make it a little bit more interesting. So I will add right here some text. So if box is less than 100, we will say box is small, okay? And then we will print the value of box. Then else, it's really simple. Else in Python, just print else, just write else, double point here, and then you go to the next line. 4 spaces, remember the 4 spaces, they are very, very important. You can say box is big, okay? And then plus box. So here it is. We will run it, and what will we receive? Suspense. Oh, this is terrible. What happened? Type error. Can't convert int object to string implicitly. This seems like something very hard, but indeed it is simple. It's simply saying, okay, here I have an integer, okay, a type of number. I can't convert it to text implicitly. You must tell me, please convert it to text. otherwise I won't be able to print it. Okay, so extremely simple to convert it. Just type string str right here and then put parentheses around what you want to convert. Okay, so parentheses, and now it will work. So it will say, a second please, it's running very slowly today. No, usually it's faster. And box is big, and this is the value of our box. So thank you for watching, and the next video will be about the input that will make our programs interactive, so the user can write things in and the program will behave differently basing on what the user writes in, and the while loop. This means do over and over again. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.